Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today big news from the Middle East today. The United States and Iran have confirmed that a peace deal have been reached after months of conflict and rising tension. So what exactly happened? Let's explain in simple words. According to reports, Pakistan held mediated talk between the United States and Iran. Both countries have now agreed to stop military operation immediately. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif announced that all fighting on different fronts, including Lebanon, would end under this agreement. US President Donald Trump also confirmed the deal. He described it is a major breakthrough and said it could bring peace and stability to the region. However, this is not yet the final chapter. Report says an officially signing ceremony is expected to take place in Switzerland later this week. The current agreement is considered a preliminary peace deal, meaning both sides still need to work out several important details. One of the biggest issues is Iran nuclear program. Negotiators are expected to continue discussions during a 60 days period to address concern about uranium enrichment, cessation relief, and long-term security agreements. Another major topic is the state of Hormuz. This is narrow waterway is one of the world's most important oil route. The deal could reopen the state to fully allow all going oil ship to move normally again. As news of agreement spread, global oil prices dropped because investors hoped for greater stability. World leaders have welcomed the announcement. European countries, the United Nations, and several region governments have pressed to effort avoid further bloodshed, but there are still challenges ahead. Some disagreements remain unresolved, and analysts warn that the success of this peace process depends on whether both sides honor their commitment in the coming week. For now, thought millions of people around the world are hoping this agreement marks the beginning of the end and dangerous conflict. Will this place deal hold, or is this only a temporary use intention? Only time will tell. If do you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe.